In this guide, I'm going to teach you on how you can delete your Google account on your mobile device, whether you're using your iPhone or your Android. Before you delete your account, be aware that you'll lose all of your access to your Google services and data associated with that account, including Google Photos and Google Drive. So, to begin, you need to open a web browser on your mobile device and then go to google.com. Tap on your profile picture icon in the top right and select Manage Your Google Account option. You'll be taken to this kind of interface. You need to scroll down and tap on Data and Privacy. From this page, scroll all the way to the down again, and you'll get the option of Delete Your Google Account. Select it. Now this will take you to a new page where you need to verify your Google account first. You can use your PIN, your fingerprint, or your password to confirm. And after your confirmation, you can also go ahead and download your data and agree to the terms and conditions. And when you're ready, tap on Delete Account and you'll be done. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.